Cue the alarms. Businesses worldwide are at war. While everyone's hungry to jump on AI technologies, organizations are left fighting to find skilled AI talent. More than 90% of businesses are expected to face skill shortages by 2026, which could cost them almost $5.5 trillion. The result? Stalled projects, burnout teams, lost revenues. But what if you could win this war with skilled, project-ready professionals at your doorstep without going through a long hunting process? That's where Talents for Hire steps in. At Talents for Hire, we connect you with pre-vetted talent skilled in the technologies you need and ready to hit the ground running. From AI engineers to cloud architects, you'll find every professional you need to drive faster, smarter, and greater business growth from day one. Win the war for AI skills with the talent that's trained to win.